Hey guys, we received this question Biomedica 0.5% DHT blocker for test and try. So this is a 0.5% DHT blocker that comes with it. It's KX826 and used for your hair. Um, this comes in a really nice pack. Let me just take this out. You can see this is a really nice packing. Really feels nice and premium. Where you can have this is a spray that you can see the spray thing. It's a liquid and that you can use on your hair. So you can just spray on your head, like on your area, and then just put it there. So this is a nice packaging with a nice solution, 0.5% DHT blocker, and use on your hair. So you can just spray and then use this. The smell is mild and still you can use and there is no problem with that. You can just spread on your hair and see it how this work.